Have you been noticing any sort of weird activities your computer doing lately, such as what I am experiencing on this computer right now? There is a layer of these pop-ups, these unwanted, uninvited, unwelcome pop-ups on my computer. Now, there could be a variety of reasons behind these pop-ups. They could be triggered because I enabled some sort of extension in my web browser. They can also be triggered if I have enabled some notifications from certain websites. However, this is a different situation. If you are experiencing a problem like that on your Windows 10 or 11 computer, this video is going to be a lifesaver. Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Errors. So in this video, what we are going to cover up, we are going to take care of all these pop-ups, and these are essentially triggered by some applications which have been downloaded off the internet on this computer. And if you're watching this video, I'm assuming you're either experiencing this problem already, or don't worry, get ready for the future because that may happen any point of time. In this video specifically, we are going to focus on one area. We are going to remove those annoying applications, those are sending these pop-ups. On your keyboard, press two buttons together, Windows and R, which will fetch the run window on left bottom corner. Type in it appwiz.cpl, appwiz.cpl, and press OK. And this is the window where you will see all installed applications on your computer too. So right now what we are going to do is we are going to look for any suspicious application, especially those are not from Intel, Microsoft, or from the manufacturer of your computer such as HP, Dell, Toshiba, Lenovo, whatever. So go ahead and scan through all your applications, and something that you don't recognize, you need to take that out. The first application I have is spot on is McAfee Security Scan Plus. That's not my protection. I have been using Norton on this computer. That's not my protection. I'm going to take it out right now. And believe me, these are not intentionally downloaded applications. Nowadays, when you're downloading a freeware, an application which is available for no cost, they come in bundles. So you don't download just one application. On many occasions, you download multiple applications like that. Maybe one you wanted to download and you ended up downloading 5 of such applications. So be careful when you're downloading something off the internet and something that is sounding as if it is pretty helpful. Further, in this list, I have this out by driver updater. This is another application that was not intended to download on this computer. Get rid of all such applications and I can assure you, you won't see those pop-ups. If this specific video did not help you, then I suggest you to watch that video as well. I will attach that link in the description as well as at the top of the video. Go ahead and watch that video right now, and I can assure you after applying these 2 video instructions, you'll be able to get rid of all these annoying back-to-back pop-ups on your Windows 10 or 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and support us by subscribing Crazy Errors for future tech tips, tricks, and solutions. Until next time, you take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next video.